So I decided to move on and then introduce a mob in the painting. So mob is a very not really welcome or like a nice tool to work with. It's something almost that when we think about the mob, it's just something that probably something you don't want to do, touch, think about, or reminds you, or cleaning that you need to do at home. So that's like a secondary thing that you can think about this as a tool. But if you switch the meaning of it and then bring it up to something a little bit different, it could be a natural way of introducing new mark making or new brush strokes in their work that will be unique and different from everything else that you see around. And also, that's a one part of thinking. And oftentimes as an artist, I think of myself as somebody closed in the four walls with my thoughts, frustration, anger, love, whatever emotions I have, and put that onto the paper. But then at the same time, we have that outside world with social media, with all kinds of marketing that comes with it in forms of promoting the work outside of your studio. So recording it and then placing it online for people to judge. So one of the things that people might come across is just like, is using mob, everyone can do that. And that's so true, everyone can do that. But at the same time, the key for me was the tool, not what I can do or not with that. So at the end, I decided to start with the painting on the floor instead of on the wall, and then make that movement of the brush and brush strokes on the floor, where everything changes in terms of the traditional way of thinking about painting.